All right, hi everybody. It's been almost a year. The last video I posted was in May of 2021, I believe. I think you may be able to see it up here. And oh my goodness, you may be wondering, where have I been for the past almost a year? It's now February 2022. And I want to be very honest with you. The reason I have not been posting much is because I think there's just been too much noise. There's been so much information swirling around, especially related to the current crisis, and you know what I'm talking about. And I just didn't think it was fair to you or to me to try and get the message of wellness, of boosting your immune system, straight through all of that noise. So I decided to just take a break. But guess what? I feel like the noise is dying down a little bit. First of all, I want to let you know that if you made it this far, congratulations. You have survived one of the worst crises we've been through as a world. And we have a lot to be grateful for. Having said that though, as I said in that last video, the last thing I said apparently was that in order to get through this and subsequent crises involving viruses and other infections, we would need to all have strong immune systems. And so I wanted to reiterate that point, that there's no substitute for a strong immune system. That's the message that I've always preached. That's the message that I'm hoping to restart preaching. And I think we've all seen it play out exactly as I said. I'm not patting myself on the shoulder. I'm just saying God gave us an immune system, and that's what's supposed to be used. So anything we're doing is going to have to be able to strengthen the existing immune system. What I had hoped to do was to be able to show you the different techniques that I've learned from around the world to help you to do just that. So today I'm just letting you know that I'm back. I'm ready to speak again. For all of you who've supported me, we can start talking once again. And if you have been supporting me and you have a question that you've always wanted to ask, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer it. In fact, I'll probably make your questions a topic of one of my next videos if you like. I have some ideas in mind that I really want you to understand, some concepts, but I'm happy to take questions. And the other thing is, some of you have been taking advantage of the teleconference option. You can contact me and we can sit and talk via Zoom. So the link is going to be below. So you can use that link to set an appointment to meet with me via Zoom, and we can talk face to face and chat a little bit about your individual issues. So I'm looking forward to restarting this conversation. I'm looking forward to getting your support. Share, like, comment, tell a friend about it, and let's talk again. Bless you.